No body system works in isolation. All must be integrated in a coordinated fashion. In this chapter, we shall look at one way in which this coordination is achieved. But before we do so, let us explain the two main forms of coordination in animals. This is why the main objective of this video is to distinguish between the nervous and hormonal coordination. The messengers in the nervous system are the electrical impulses. On the other hand, the chemical messengers in the hormonal systems are the hormones or the chemicals. Another difference is that the brain and the spinal cord are the main components of the nervous system. On the other hand, the glands and organs such as the pituitary glands and the reproductive organs are involved in the hormonal system. The nervous system will send nerve impulses through the neurons. However, in the hormonal system, the hormones are transmitted through the blood vessels. In addition to that, the nervous system is under both the voluntary and the involuntary control, while the hormonal system is under the involuntary control only. Moreover, the nerve impulses make use of the neurotransmitters, which are the chemicals secreted by the nervous system at the synaptic cleft, and the sodium and potassium channels and enter the target cells. On the other hand, the hormones enter into their target cells by diffusing through the plasma membrane or by binding to the cell receptors. This is because the target cells have specific receptors on their cell surface membranes. And the final difference is that the nervous system will produce a rapid, short-lived, and localized response, while the hormonal system will produce a slow, long-lived, and widespread response. An example of the nervous system is the reflex action, such as the withdrawal of the hand from an unpleasant stimulus. On the other hand, an example of the hormonal coordination is the control of a blood glucose concentration. Finally, it's important to mention that although different, both systems will work together and interact with one another in order to keep the body alive and away from any harm.